Hey everybody, it's the Doll Boy, and I'm so excited about today's video. Recently, Rainbow High shared pictures of this series for dolls, and very soon after that, my friend Mazarethel found them already at a local Dutch toy store, which completely blew my mind. Once she told me, I went right away and also bought two of my favorites in this series. If you are as excited as I am about this series 4 dolls of Rainbow High, give this video a thumbs up already and let me know in the comments below which series 4 doll I should buy next. For this video, I'm taking a look at Jewel, Richie and Coco Vanderbalt. This series once again features dolls from the entire rainbow, ranging from red to orange, yellow, green and blue to purple. And the ones I got are the green and blue one. I didn't order all the dolls at once, simply because I was scared of them coming with defects, but the two dolls I got are absolutely perfect. And if you all enjoy this video, I might just go ahead and order the other ones as well. First up, we have Coco Vanderbald, that has gorgeous blue hair and a really cool and sporty outfit. On the bottom of the box, we can see the other girls from the series. Coco also comes with her second outfit that I really like the jacket from. And then there's her dress and a second pair of shoes and socks. Then we have Jewel Richie, who is actually the very first doll in the rainbow hairline to have vitiligo, which is a condition where the skin loses pigment cells, which can result in discolored patches on your skin. And I really love how they executed that in doll form. The doll is wearing this fur and sequins outfit in a stunning shade of emerald green. And her bare legs show off the fact that she has the vitiligo on the rest of her body as well. You can also get a good look at her second pair of shoes. And what I think is really funny is that my doll actually has her second outfit displayed upside down. I'm guessing this is a factory defect, but I thought it was pretty hilarious, and I'm unboxing my doll anyways. Then on the back of the box for both dolls, you'll find the full artwork of the series 4 girls. And it says Rainbow High, where creative students with style use glam, grit, love, action and moxie to make their performing arts and fashion dreams come true. And on the side of the box, it tells you the focus these characters have, which is fashion design for Jewel and digital media for Coco. Now to get them unboxed, as always, I cut the tape at the side, top and bottom, which allows you to fold open the back of the box, showing you a green doll stand in Jewel's box, as well as some instructions on how to tie her shoes. I did actually expect these dolls to come with an extra pair of legs, since I do believe that the purple doll does come with those, but neither Jewel nor Coco had them. Then you can also take out that second outfit, as well as the doll herself. As you can see, her hair is done up really nicely, with some braided details added as well, and she's displayed in her box very nicely. For Coco, I unboxed her the exact same way. And in her box we got a blue doll stand, the second outfit boxes, and the doll. And Coco is also really beautifully displayed. Now I just go in and very carefully cut away those tags around the feet, hands, waist, and hair, and then I gently pull on the head to undo those tags in the back of the head. And you already know that the first thing I'm gonna do is check if Jewel has a partline, And honestly, this did look very promising. I will also show you how I washed the doll's hair though, and how they look with their hair completely down. It does look like MJ is back to their gelled curls again, because both dolls have pretty gelled hair. The hairstyle Jewel is wearing is this half updo with 2 braids on the sides, and that ponytail is beautifully wrapped with a strand of her own hair. It does look like there are some slightly different shades of green in there, but the color difference is very subtle. For her earrings, Jewel has got these big green gems that look really nice with the rest of the look. I do also really like that the baby hairs that are sculpted and painted on do have a very different mold from the other baby hairs we've seen so far, being slightly more curly. Then her eyes are very stunning as well, having this overall green color, with a brown spot in there as well, making them super realistic. When it comes to her vitiligo, she's got some marks on her face and her ears, but there is also some green paint on both ears. And I really love what they did to her eyebrows, where the brown color fades into blonde at the end, and above the other eyebrow, she's got a little heart. Jewel's eye makeup is pretty simple, with a solid green eyelid and some smoked out shadow, and some added glitter in the inner corners. And I feel like the neutral lip color looks absolutely perfect on her. Then she's got this choker necklace that is made of a black ribbon that's tied in the back. That has a green gem on it as well. Jewel is also wearing so many bracelets, with 3 golden, white and green ones on one arm, and on the other side she's got 2 more. Her fingernails are all painted this dark green color that match her color scheme perfectly. Jewel's outfit consists of 2 pieces, with her emerald green fur shawl that is attached to the dress with some tags that I carefully cut away. This piece honestly is so nice, and it was made in a really smart way, since it has these 2 clear straps like most strapless dresses have, to keep the shawl in place perfectly and still make it really easy to take off and put back on again. Underneath that is this one-piece dress that is full of sequins and has 2 small cutouts at the side that have some mesh. Then she's got some open-toed heels that are tied in these really nice bows. It actually took me a while to realize that these are actually really pointed, which I thought looked very original on a rainbow high shoe. As you can see, on her body the vitiligo looks like it is stained pink, and I'm not sure if it's supposed to look this way or if it's a slight defect, because I'm honestly not sure what could have caused this stain, but on the lower arm and legs, she does not have that pink staining at all. I unboxed Coco the same way, and I'm so excited for that sporty look she's got going on, with her RH sunglasses. This doll also has that half updo, with 2 high ponytails in the front, and the rest of the hair is heavily gelled together. Coco does have a middle part that is very nicely rooted and thatched, and Coco also has some very subtle highlights in the hair, with some strands being very bright blue and others being a bit more muted. She also has those molded on baby hairs that are much more swooped than Jewel's ones. And I do really like that each doll that has baby hairs does have their own design, because I feel like that really adds to their individuality. For her face, Coco has these really dark eyebrows, a nice eyeshadow design with a blue shadow and white graphic liner, and she's got these caramel brown eyes. I wasn't sure if I liked those at first, but seeing her in real life, she is just so striking. For her lips, they gave her this dark brownish color. And a detail I'm so excited about are these earrings. I feel like these are made to look extremely realistic, looking like they really go through her ear, even though it's still the same type of earring hole. But it just looks so real. These earrings also have some charms, with an R on one side, and of course the H on the other side. Coco's outfit is really cool and made out of a bunch of pieces. First we have this bralette top that has double spaghetti straps and a ribbon detail in the middle too. And it's actually made out of several panels, giving it this amazing look. And this honestly might be one of my all-time favorite rainbow high tops. Underneath that, she's wearing this long-sleeved shirt that really reminded me of Winter Break Ruby, but then in blue. And the skirt she's wearing is made out of this ski suit material and has some very cute details, like those little strings and zipper. And both pieces velcro in the back. For the shoes, the doll is wearing these multicolored chunky heels that I think really match her overall aesthetic. Now I'm also really curious to see how Coco looks with her sunglasses on, so I carefully cut the string that is holding the glasses to her head, keeping my fingers crossed not to cut any of her hair. Removing the sunglasses actually revealed another part of the hairstyle, which are these small braids on the sides of her ponytail, which I think is a really cool detail, especially since it's pretty hidden at first glance. These glasses also say rainbow on the side, and I think the doll looks so cool wearing them, and I love her so much more than I expected. I also wanted to show you what Coco looks like without that undershirt, and I do think I prefer this look more over the original style. And now, let's get this gel out of the hair. For that, I undid all the hairstyles and dressed both dolls in an outfit I don't mind getting wet. Then I start rinsing the hair under cold to medium warm water and really massage the hair in that water to loosen up the gel. Then when I feel like most of the gel is out, I take my brush and start brushing it all out. For Jewel, I didn't really have to pay any attention at all, but for Coco I was a little more careful not to mess up her original part line. Then to get Jewel's part line more defined and make sure her hair lays nice and flat, I drag my comb through the row of hair that's rooted thicker than the rest, held that down very tight, and dip the top of the head in boiling water. Right after dipping, I comb out the hair to get a very smooth finish. Then to get Coco's hair to lay flat too, I also dipped her head in the boiling water. For me personally, I feel like boiling the ends of the hair is not necessary on these rainbow high dolls, so I prefer not to let the ends touch the heat to avoid any damage on the hair. After that, I dressed both dolls in their second outfits. As you can see, Coco's hair after washing is really nice and long, and her second outfit is this dress that is also created with those different blue panels. But I honestly don't think it looks very flattering on the doll. What I do love, however, is this jacket she comes with, which is a really cool bomber jacket that says Rainbow 86 on the front and Magic on the sleeves. The material of this jacket feels like a faux leather, and all those added details are actually embroidered on. So to me, this jacket alone was reason enough to get Coco. putting on the jacket really transforms her into one of the coolest dolls ever. Then Jewel comes in this more classic outfit that to me screams Series 1 Rainbow High, with this leathery top and skirt combination. However, the skirt does have a lot more added detail, with this snakeskin texture, golden embroidered rings, and string that's tied in a perfect bow. On the side, there's also some cutouts that have fishnet over it, and both pieces velcro in the back. Honestly, I think washing her hair made her look so pretty! And as you can see, this is what her partline now looks like. It would have been nice if it was a little fuller, but for me, it's just enough to be happy with. Her second shoes also look really cute, and you can put these on and take them off really easily. Coco is also wearing her second pair of shoes that came with those mesh socks, and I'm honestly not sure how I feel about that combination, but I do like the shoes without the socks. Jewel also came with this very intense fur jacket with some really cool studded sleeves. To me, this is a little much with the fur, but I do think it gives her a very fun and bougie look. I might actually like that jacket with her hair up to make sure that there's not as much going on. Now I'm simply going to style and curl their hair and dress them in some of my favorite pieces. For Jewel, I dressed her in her first outfit and gave her these two twists in the front to show off her part line, with some tight curls in the front using straws, and I curled the rest of the hair using perm rollers to get a bigger bouncy curl. For Coco, I wanted her to have a bit of texture without it looking overly styled or curled, so I simply put her hair in braids. Then I gave her back her two small ponytails and added in two tiny braids in the front as well. For her, I obviously put her in the first look without the undershirt and added the jacket to it as well. I did still separate Jewel's curls to create this really glamorous look. And those are my first two Series 4 restyles. I really hope you like these dolls as much as I do. If you did, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more Rainbow High videos. Then also let me know in the comments down below if you like this video and which doll I should get next. Then to see more of my doll pictures, also follow me on Instagram @thedollboy. See you next time!